Hey guys, so if you want to know how to get your nails like this, how to make them look and even feel like a full set, keep watching. I got these nails from Amazon for about $7.99, and it comes with 500 pieces and 10 different sizes, which means every size has 50 pieces. So this will last you very, very long, especially for its price. It is the perfect buy. So as you can see, it already comes in its coffin shape, so you do not have to work too hard to try and get the perfect shape for your nails. So you do not want to miss this very, very important step. It is important that you file down your nails and take away your nails oiliness, because if it is oily, you don't file it down, it's not going to stick as long as it would when it's dry. So you can dehydrate your nails with acetone or file it down. They both work the same. So you can see that I'm trying to find the perfect fit. This nail fits perfectly. It's not too big and it's not too small. And these nails do come in 10 different sizes, so you'll be able to find basically the perfect match. So this is the Kiss Maximum Speed glue. I got it for $1.99 at Walmart, but when I went to a beauty supply store, it was 99 cents. So you may find it at your local beauty supply store. But right now, I'm gluing on the nails. To make them adhere better, I put a dot of glue on my nail and a dot of glue behind the false nail so they can stick tighter. And don't forget that too much glue is going to make your nails look very, very crusty. So a dot of glue is fine. And when you're ready to hold it down for 10 seconds so the glue can stick and make the false nail basically stick everywhere but not out of the nail to the point where it's messy. So this is actually very optional, but I'm just filing down the nail to make the nail where the cuticle area is to the nail look just a little bit smoother, but you don't have to do this. So personally, I don't like how it curves at the sides of the nail, so I make them straight with the file and just file them down to make it a straight pointy coffin. So in this very, very important step, this is how you're going to make your press on nails feel like acrylic, because with acrylic things are much more secure. You can touch things without your nails jumping off. So you're going to want to take a nail tip and basically turn it upside down, so the number is the one that's going down and the curve is at the top. You're going to want to glue this to the back of the nail that you already have on. Press it together for at least 15 seconds so there's no holes at the top, which you'll see later on about that part. But just right now, you want to glue it on and make it tight. So this is a better video of me doing what I just explained, just to make it easier. You can glue the other nail as far down as you want to make the whole nail secure, but I only focused on the tip of the nail. And here I am showing you that when you press it together, you're going to have no gaps. There should be no hole at the top or the sides. And then I didn't have a scissor, but I felt like the nail cutter worked better. I'm just clipping off the excess nail and trying to match it up to the nail I already had onto my finger. Then of course you're going to want to file the sides, the bottom, the top, the bottom again, just to make it flat and seamless. And as you can see, this is what I was talking about earlier. You can't see through the nail if you're looking at the top, so that's how you know that it's stuck together well. How all my nails looked when I had did the extra security step and I had filed it down. So you can't really tell, basically you can't tell where it was. It just looks like acrylic, it's as thick as acrylic. So I used both Sally Hansen products, or Sally Hansen. I used the color Set Sail, which is the periwinkle color, and just a regular top coat gel just to make my nails look a little bit better and the polish last longer. I got the blue color for $1 and the top coat for $2.50. So I got that in the clearance section of Walmart, which is always in the back of the store. So go check it out. Save your money. So this is basically what my nails end up looking like. If you're a sloppy nail polish painter like me, just get a cotton swab, dip in some acetone and clean around the nails. But let me know what you guys think about this color. I'm in love with it. Please go and get your nails on fleek. Let me know if you guys use this technique, and I'll see you guys in the next video.